So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then you want to click on graphics. And now once you're on graphics, if you see your game right here, you want to click on your game and then you want to click on options and then you want to click on high performance and then click on save. If your game is not here, then you want to scroll up and then under add an app, you want to select desktop app and then you want to click on browse. And now once you're on here, you just want to head over to search and then you want to type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And now once you're on here, you want to click on the View tab. And then you want to make sure that you have hide extensions for known file types unticked. So you want to untick this and then click on OK. And now you want to find where your game is installed. It's going to be different for every game, but once you find where your game is installed, you want to make sure that you click on the .exe file of it. So for this tutorial, let's just say that I want to do it for a Steam game. I'm going to head over to Steam, then I'm going to right click on my library, and then I'm going to click on Properties, Installed Files, and then Browse. This will also work with every game, but I'm just showing you how to do it for Steam. But if you want to do it for a different game, you have to locate where it is yourself. And then once you're in here, you just want to click right here, and then all of this will be highlighted, and then you just want to copy this file path. So I'm just going to right click on copy. Now I'm going to head back into settings, and now I'm just going to click right here, delete this, and then paste it. Click on enter, and now I'm in the game folder. And now once you find your game.exe, you want to double click on it, which will then add it here. Then you want to click on options, and then click on high performance, and then click on save. Then that's how you do it.